Hi everyone, my name is Gilligan and I'm the chairperson of the SSV Athletics Subcommittee. There seems to be some confusion around starting pistols, caps and who can use them. Department regulations state that these things cannot be stored on school grounds and can only be used by qualified starters through Athletics Victoria or Victorian Little Ats. Athletics Victoria has electronic starting pistols that can be hired out to schools. Please contact Athletics Victoria on the email and phone numbers below. Remembering at all school competitions, it's about the kids, so good luck to everyone out there.